Hello, I'm Wayne from Open ECX, and I'm just going to talk to you for a few minutes about invoice capture for busy finance teams. Do you recognize some of these challenges of processing purchase invoices within your business? Are you receiving thousands of invoices from suppliers each month by the post or via email? And is your finance team having to invest a lot of staff time manually keying those invoices into the finance system? Let's just consider some of the drawbacks of that. Well, the cost, it could cost between £2 and £5 per invoice in staff time to get them into your systems. Any process that involves manually keying data into a computer system is bound to be prone to human error, mislaying of documents, so accuracy could be an issue. That could delay your processes. It could mean that your financial system is out of sync with reality if piles of paper are stacked up. Paper, of course, needs to be stored and then disposed of. It's also not a very fulfilling job. It's boring to be sat at a computer screen all day just keying document data into computer systems, so that can make it harder to motivate, recruit and retain people. The hundreds of staff hours you may well be spending in your business processing those invoices is costing a fortune, adding no value to the business. So what I wanted to talk to you today about is how you can break free from that manual processing by automating the capture and processing of purchase invoices. That would enable you to release skilled finance resource to better deploy, create some capacity or reduce some costs, and improve job satisfaction. Let me introduce you to eInvoicing by Open ECX. It's a cloud-based software solution for invoice automation. There's no software to install, no hardware to install, and no upgrades to worry about. Very simply, it's a system that intercepts emails from your suppliers containing PDF invoices, which it then converts to data and transmits that to your finance system. It's a very low setup fee and a simple fixed monthly subscription, so it's very cash flow friendly to your business. Best of all, no cost to your suppliers. All your suppliers have to do is simply change the email address where they would normally send invoices. Open ECX can provide a fully managed supplier onboarding service. So we handle all the admin, all the config, all the onboarding, all the engagement with your suppliers. We simply just need you to send our onboarding team a list of your suppliers. Because that's all done in-house, we offer very rapid setup time. You can start saving considerable staff time within just a few weeks. We would generally start with your highest volume suppliers first to achieve some quick wins on staff time savings, and then we would onboard more suppliers in tranches to get to maybe 75% or more of all the documents processed through eInvoicing, and that will be saving you a considerable amount of staff time. I'm just going to talk you through the eInvoicing process flow. It's very simple. It starts with your supplier creating an invoice as a PDF file and attaching that file to an email and then sending that email to an e-trading address. That happens to be the eInvoicing portal in the cloud. The portal receives the email and attaches the PDF file or files. We then extract the embedded data from the PDF's data layer. So this is not a scanning solution or an OCR solution. We then apply supplier specific layout mapping information. We then apply business rules and validation checks. We can optionally apply invoice matching, two-way or three-way, and I'll talk more about that on the next slide. Finally, we convert that invoice data to XML and transmit that to the buyer's finance system. That XML file would be received, it would be imported into the database of the finance system, and that would result in a purchase invoice having been received into the finance system with no manual intervention whatsoever. Let me just explain what we mean by two-way and three-way matching. Two-way matching is where the e-invoicing portal will match the incoming invoice against a purchase order in terms of quantities and unit prices. So that would require a feed of purchase orders from your finance system to be sent through to the e-invoicing portal. Going one step further, we can apply three-way matching, which is where we match the purchase order and a goods received note against the invoice received from the supplier, and that obviously will also require an additional feed of goods received note data to go into the e-invoicing portal. I'd just like to share with you the names of some of our existing customers, and you will notice some pretty big names on this list: Skanska, Hilti, Wolseley. Please visit our website where you'll see many case studies and a video case study of Bradford's Building Supplies, where Carl there explains how e-invoicing has helped transform their business. Just to summarise, you can trust Open ECX to deliver and support you a fantastic e-invoicing solution. It's a quick and easy rollout, there's no cost to your suppliers, and remember, it's very cash flow friendly for your business. It will enable you to save staff time and reduce the reliance on manual processes. This will transpose through to reduction of costs and allowing you to better utilise your business resources. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch. My name's Wayne Blakemore from Open ECX.